Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be learning how to make this beautiful spiral pattern using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos, you can refer to our Learn Python series. So let's get started. First thing is to import the Turtle library, and we'll also write main loop so that the turtle skin does not disappear. Let us first create a line. So forward 50, let's say, and let us just run this. So a line is created. The next thing you can see in this spiral pattern is there are three colors involved. Okay, so first let us set one color and see if we are able to set, let's say, red. And if we go, and yes, we can make this red color. Now we want three colors in the spiral pattern, so for that we can use the for loop. So we will take a random variable, say C, for C in, and here we can write the colors red, blue, green, and this red, instead of this red we will write here C, that is our variable, and we will indent this properly, save it. So what have I done here is I just set the range for the colors like red, blue and green, so the each time this loop will go, it will take one color one at a time, and then it will form these lines. So let us run and see. So yeah, it made red, blue and green colored line, but this is a straight line, whereas in this spiral it's been rotated. So let us just see, if we add here rotated by some degrees, let us say 30 degree. So we say okay, now we can see it's been rotated. Now it somewhat seems like we can complete the spiral by making this loop, by running this loop again and again. So for running this loop again and again, we need to use another for loop. Here we will write for I in range, let us take 15 and see what happens. So when we are running this loop again and again, you can see only the circle is formed, but this spiral which we want is not formed. And why is it so? Because you can observe in the spiral pattern that this length is increasing as and when it goes far away from the static point, which is the home. But here we have fixed a particular length, and that's why the spiral is not formed, rather a circle is formed. So it means that we need to continuously increase this forward. Now instead of using another for loop, we can just instead of 50 we can just say I, because we know I is already increasing from 0 to 14 because its range is 15. So we can just say forward I, and so the length will be increased automatically. So let us just see, and I think we can see a spiral. Wow, a beautiful spiral is formed. So this is a small spiral, and if you want to increase it, you can just say like 50 times. So if we say 50 times and see, so it's going on again and again, and a beautiful spiral is formed just like this one. So this beautiful spiral can be formed by just this simple program. It's just a 5-liner code, and in this what we have done is just use two for loops, one for the color and one to make a spiral, like making it again and again. Like this is going again and again. That's why the for loop is used, and the second for loop is for the colors. We can even add more colors into this, as many colors as we want, or we can even make it of one particular color. We rotated it here by 30 degrees. We can rotate it any way we want. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more coding content. Happy coding!